Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club. Hi mamas, what's up? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you guys self-care. I'm giving you guys a little maintenance vlog. We got some stuff we got to do. Okay, we got to get ourselves together. Y'all, I have been walking around these last couple of weeks just looking like who did it and why. So in this vlog, we just gonna be getting ourselves together. Hair, nails, lashes. I really wanted to be able to get like a facial and a massage and stuff, but I just don't have time in between like the kids, and then babe's work schedule is kind of crazy coming up this next week, so I just did not have the time to squeeze it in. Definitely going to take care of our hair. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of how I do my nails at home, how I do my lashes at home, and this is just going to be a little self-care maintenance. And now it is 9:45. I'm headed to my hair appointment. We're gonna get some bundles installed, a little blonde moment again. Last time I got bundles, they were blonde. So we're back with the blonde. I tried to tone it so it wasn't like that brassy bronze, but I really don't think that worked. So yeah, but I just wanted to come on here and just check in with you guys, let you guys know what the vibes are today. Let's go get our hair did. Hey girl, hey. I know y'all saw the clips of when I got my hair done yesterday. I love my hair. Okay, it's so cute. I have on a full face of makeup because I'm literally filming content all day today. Just wanted to come on here and give a little intro. So the next thing you guys are going to see me doing are my nails. Just a little background. I currently do gel X on my nails, gel extensions on my nails, and OMG, y'all, I love it so much. I'm like, this whole time I've been getting acrylic and getting the hell drilled out of my nails, and all of that isn't even necessary. I've been doing my own nails for about, I would say it's about like maybe 2 months now. 2 months, give or take. Just went on Amazon and ordered all of the stuff I need on top of going to Sally's Beauty. Also has a lot of like nail stuff that you can use if you want to start doing your nails at home as well, but like 90% of my stuff is from Amazon. Honestly, the biggest thing, it's not even the money for me. Like, obviously, girl, I want to save my money, okay, but the money wasn't even the thing that was bothering me. It was the amount of time that I was spending in the nail salon. 2.5 3 hours. My girls know, like, when you getting designs on every finger and you want to do that, girl, that time adds up. And I literally would be in the nail salon or be like getting my nails done yarning, y'all, like yarning in the seat, like just ready to get out. Okay, get me out of here. And it just started to really just not be enjoyable to me. Like, when I was younger, getting my nails done was just always so fun to me, and I feel like as I get older, it's become more of a chore than anything. Like, it's not enjoyable to me at all. It's just very therapeutic for me. Like, I really truly enjoy it, and I don't see myself going back to the nail salon anytime soon, girl. I get my pedicures, obviously, but I don't see myself getting my nails done anytime soon. So I just want to hop on here and give you guys a little backstory. If you guys want to see a full gel X video, I do have a full tutorial on how I do my gel X nails at home. I will link that in the cards above for you guys. If you guys really want a detailed video of the technique I use, the products I use, and things like that, I will link that for you guys so you guys can check that out. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to come on here and say hey girl hey, and give you guys a quick little backstory before we go ahead and jump into the nails, girl. Okay. This time with the nails, I did keep it very, very simple because I had to literally get to my hair appointment. So I did not have time to do like the designs and everything. I just kept it simple with one color. But usually I do designs. In the video that I'm linking for you guys, I did do a design. I did like a marble. So yes, go ahead and get into the nails.
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we can never die. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. It's just making me feel this way. It's kinda like, nothing like when we lock eyes. I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side.
It is a new day, if you guys cannot tell, and the last step in my maintenance routine are going to be my lashes. I have been doing the false mascara on my lashes when like I want my lashes to last a little bit longer. It is something where you definitely have to be mindful of the amount of product that you're using, or else it's going to be really sticky. Yeah, so I'm basically just going to be showing you guys how to do my lashes at home. For the false mascara, you're going to need this. Mine is really messy because my daughter NYLAH was painting herself or something with it. It has a bond on one side, a seal on the other, and then I also, in addition, grabbed this overnighter, which is just supposed to help the lashes last like I think up to 10 days or something like that. The lashes that I'm using are from my brand MEILANI Minx in the style That Girl. I've worn these before as strip lashes, but this time around wanted something longer. These are one of our 25mm styles. If you guys are interested in my lashes or any of the products that I sell, our website is always linked in the description box, as well as our MEILANI Minx Instagram. Okay, girl, so go help me out and go follow us on Instagram. And if you are interested in the lashes, click the link in my bio and go shop.
I gotta stay in my zone. Say that we been beefing, dog, but you on your own. First night, she gon' let me fuck cause we grown. I hit her, gave her back to the city, she home. She at home now. That was that, so I can't be beefing with no whack nigga. Got no backbone. Heard you living in a mansion and all your raps though. But your shit look like the trap on his Google Maps though. We been brothers since Versace Bando, whoa. Name ringing like Amigo trap phone, whoa. Used to be with Vashti at Santos, that's on Tommy Campbell's. We live like Sopranos, and I walk it like I talk it, 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 you walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it.
All right, guys, so that pretty much concludes this little maintenance vlog. Got our hair done, nails, lashes. I tried to like get more stuff done for y'all, but it just wasn't, the schedules weren't scheduling, okay? But this is how my lashes turned out. I really love them. They're super long. Like, That Girl is one of our most popular styles. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and consider subscribing to my channel if you like these types of videos and want more. Thanks for watching, girl, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles.